Hi everyone, I'm Rachel with Scrap Creative Reuse, and I'm very excited to offer the zine making and DIY envelope virtual workshop. So this is a really fun workshop that lets you make your own zines. Zines are great mini magazines that you get to create. They can come in larger sizes, they can come in itty bitty sizes. For this zine making workshop, we're going to make a single page 8.5 by 11 zine. It's these really cute sizes that let you fold it all. You don't have to bind anything. It's all compact in one cute little zine, and you can make it about anything you want. You can include pictures, you can include stories, you can include collages. We'll go over all sorts of different things that you can put in your zine. We'll also teach you how to make DIY envelopes out of old calendar pages. That's a great way to reuse old calendars, and they make these super cute envelopes that fit your zine perfectly. And so you'll be able to send those fun little envelopes and gifts to your friends, your pen pals, and support the U.S. Postal Service. So I'll show you a little bit more about the materials that we use in the zine making workshop. So these are items that you might find in your Scrap Creative Reuse zine making kit. So first off, we'll have some collage packs, maybe some mixed media photographs or slides, maybe just some various pages from our collage section that we've put in for you. We'll also send you some blank pieces of paper. These will basically be your blank canvas, and we'll show you how to fold this zine and make it for your friends and who you want to send it to. We'll also send you some National Geographics. These are great pictures and text that you can use to collage. And for the DIY envelopes, we'll be sure to send you an old calendar. This is a great way to reuse calendars from past years, or if you just get those ones in the mail and you don't know what to do with them, now you know what to do with them. We'll also send some crayons or markers or colored pencils, something so that you can do some coloring if you want to. And these will be the items that will be included in your zine making kit. We'll send you some instructions on how to fold the zine so that if you want to reference that later, you have that. But there are going to be some things that you might want to have on hand for making your own zines. Things like scissors come in handy for collaging, same with tape and glue. We also want you to have something that can help you fold the paper, like a protractor or a bone folder, something like that that makes it a little bit easier for these paper crafts. So we hope that you'll check out our zine making and DIY envelope workshop. You get to make these super cute envelopes and make your own zines, and you can check that stuff out at scrapcreativereuse.org.